Go ahead.
God, you sound just like your mother.
You're just slightly better at this than I expected.
That horseshoe bit's really coming along there.
What's his name?
Well done, Skittles. Get safe.
I never sat around doing nothing. I played sports, I wrote cheers. I was the first one to rhyme Uungawa with power. Didn't copyright it. Lost millions.
Dad, no matter what you do, I'll never have your camp experience. Because this place is never going to be a real summer camp.
Right on time. I ordered an airdrop from the CIA. We're in desperate need of supplies.
Uncle Stan, is it fresh water?
Better.
Malaria pills?
Better.
Looks like food. Are they hypnobirds?
No. What? No, they're tether balls. Oh, and look at this. Camp T-shirts.
Entertainment? This sucks. I want to go home.